In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export or input sections or the whole notebook in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Firstly, you need to launch the OneNote application. This is where all the action will begin. Open the OneNote app on your device. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so with your Microsoft account, as this will give you access to all your notebooks stored in the cloud. Once you're in, you'll see the list of notebooks synced with your account. Next, you'll want to head over to the My Notebooks section. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the OneNote interface. Clicking on My Notebooks will give you an overview of all the notebooks you have access to. It's crucial to ensure that the notebook you wish to export is fully updated and synced to avoid losing any recent changes or notes. With your notebook ready and selected, proceed by clicking on View Notebook. This option will guide you to a more detailed view where you can access the specific sections you may want to export. It's helpful here to review the contents and make note of any particular sections you need to focus on. Sometimes navigating through especially large notebooks can be overwhelming, so take a moment to ensure you know exactly what you intend to export. After you've identified the notebook or sections you need, the next step is to click on File. You can usually find File at the top of the navigation bar. Clicking this will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, you need to select Export. This is where the magic happens, as export will allow you to save your OneNote data in a format of your choice, be it a single page, a section, or the entire notebook. When you click on Export, you'll be presented with different format options such as OneNote package, PDF, and Word document, among others. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If you're planning to import this notebook elsewhere in OneNote, the OneNote package format is recommended. Once you've selected your format, choose where you want to save your exported file on your device and hit Export. Your notebook or selected sections will now be saved to your chosen location. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your OneNote content, making it ready for any importing or backup needs you have. Importing follows a similar process of locating the export file, selecting import, and letting OneNote do the rest. Remember to keep your application updated for the best performance and additional features. Thanks for watching, and now you're equipped to manage your OneNote notebooks effectively.